If there's one item we've all become more and more reliant on over the years, it's our smartphone. How did we ever live without them? We all know that they can be expensive to buy and run, but what if you could pay for them by making money through them? Over the past year, we've mentioned loads of ways to make money. Many can be done on your smartphone, but we thought we'd give you 18 new ways to either make a bit of extra cash or start to grow a business through your phone. Don't worry, we won't mention surveys at all on this list. We feel they've been done to death, and you need a lot of patience and time to make anything like a decent amount of money by completing surveys, so you'll never hear us talking about them again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every Thursday we bring out new videos on how you can make money to improve your life. And every Monday, we now upload a quick 40-second video with one quick and easy tip. We like to think of it as our motivational Monday helping hand. We all use apps on our phone, but do you know you can make money on some? Well, here's a few for you to look at. 1. Ibotta. Ibotta is a mobile app that helps you earn cash back every time you visit a shop. Before you check out, activate the cashback offers within the app. With Ibotta, you get cash back at nearly any grocery store, plus the app also works at discount stores. There are 2 different kinds of cashback offers to activate. For example, you might get money back by buying a 12-pack of Coca-Cola, or you can earn cash back when you purchase a loaf of bread, regardless of the brand. Most importantly, you don't have to clip paper coupons to enjoy the savings. When you cash out, you can request payments by PayPal or a gift card. Paribus. It doesn't get any easier to make money shopping than with Paribus. All you have to do is link your email address or your Amazon account to Paribus, and when a price drops, you get the price refund. With Paribus, you can get cash back at over 30 online stores. You can file price protection claims yourselves and receive the price difference as a refund. Maybe you never knew about this hack, but Paribus helps you get free money with minimal effort. 3. Clarity Money. Clarity Money is an app that works similarly to Mint, which we've talked about before. First, you hook up your accounts to the app and it helps you analyse your spending data. Clarity Money will also make suggestions for how you can save more money. You can use these suggestions and take action right there within the app. Finally, Clarity Money has an in-app savings account with Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Your deposits earn just over 2%. If you don't follow bank interest rates, this is one of the highest current rates at the moment. You can also schedule automatic deposits so you can easily save your extra income each month. And it's free to use. 4. Rakuten. If you use Rakuten, you can get up to 40% cashback on nearly any online purchase. Even though Rakuten is accessible on tablet and computer, the Rakuten app offers bonus cashback for selected retailers, and you get special in-app bonus cashback. Each calendar quarter, Rakuten will pay into either your PayPal account or it can give you a gift card. As a new member, you get $10 bonus cash by making your first $25 purchase with this app. 5. Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog is one of the most flexible receipt scanning apps for in-person purchases. All you have to do is snap a picture of any receipt for any purchase. You can earn coins that you can use for prizes like PayPal cash or Amazon gift cards. You can earn bonus cash by doing other things, but we said we wouldn't mention them again. 6. Shopkick. No purchase is necessary to earn points with Shopkick. To make money with this, you first need to download the app, then enable your phone's location services. First, you will earn points for walking into a store, then you can earn more points by scanning product barcodes. This can be a fun way to get your exercise, plus you might be able to earn a free gift card each time you leave the house. 7. Slidejoy. At this time, Slidejoy is only available for Android users. You can get paid each time you unlock your phone. This is because Slidejoy displays an ad or video on your locked phone. Whether or not you explore the ads further, you earn points that you redeem for gift cards. According to Slidejoy, the average user spends 10 minutes per day on the app. You can easily find 10 minutes to make money looking at these ads. 8. National Consumer Panel. National Consumer Panel only requires 1 hour of your time every week. Right before you go to bed one night, share your shopping activity for that week. To get paid, scan the receipts for products you buy with the NCP app. For each product, share the purchase price and the place you purchase it from. With each scan, you earn points that are good for cash, gift cards and prizes. And NCP also increases your points payout the longer you remain an active member. To get the bonus, share your shopping history every week. 9. Nielsen Digital Voice. With Nielsen Digital Voice, you earn points for every hour you use your smartphone. This is because Nielsen gauges how the average person uses their phone. If it is used to make calls, send text messages, surf the web, or interact with downloadable apps, join the Nielsen Digital Voice so you can find out, and you'll have the chance to earn cash prizes just by using your phone, which you'd be doing anyway. 10. CueMe. CueMe pays you to search online. Next to the regular search engine results, CueMe shows you product listings that might interest you. With a single search, CueMe doubles the results. It's possible to earn bonus points by using CueMe in 3 ways. Redeeming digital coupons, taking the daily survey, we slipped that one in, and watching videos. Even better, there isn't a minimum payout threshold, so you can request PayPal payments every day if you're an active searcher. 11. AppNano. AppNano will pay you to download and test apps. Since new apps constantly launch, you get paid to be one of the first testers. With AppNano, you find the next best app before it becomes popular. For each test, you earn points that are good for gift cards and game downloads. 12. MusicXRay. If you enjoy listening to music, you can get paid to listen to new music and rate at MusicXRay. During the application process, you list your favourite bands to hear new music. Then MusicXRay recommends similar songs and bands. This way you can discover new music to add to your playlist. You will earn 10 cents per song that you listen to. 13. Bookscooter. While there are many places to sell used books, Bookscooter is one of the easiest. First, scan the book's barcode. Almost immediately you get the buyback prices from more than 42 vendors. After you finish scanning each book, you pick the best vendor. Most vendors provide prepaid shipping labels. When they receive your book, they send you PayPal cash within 48 hours. 14. Second Spin. Second Spin is one of the largest buyers and sellers of CDs, DVDs and games. Technically, we shouldn't have put them on the list as they don't have a mobile app. However, you can still list your items with your phone using a mobile browser. 15. Poshmark. Poshmark is a leading clothing resale site. To make money, snap a picture with your phone in the app, then upload the pricing details. In a matter of minutes, you can list several items. It's very easy to sell on Poshmark. When an item sells, Poshmark provides a prepaid shipping label. Finally, attach it to the package, put it in the mail, and you get paid. 16. Gift Card Granny. Use Gift Card Granny to sell your unwanted gift cards. To get started, enter your serial number and gift card balance into the app. Then, Gift Card Granny compares the buyback price for the various gift card marketplaces. Now you choose the best offer, and you can get paid right away. You can earn up to 92% of each card you sell. 17. DoorDash. You no longer have to work for just one food delivery service provider. Instead, DoorDash partners with many takeout restaurants so you can deliver a variety of different cuisines. For example, you might start off by delivering a Chinese, then Italian, and before the night is finished, you might have delivered from a handful of restaurants. So far, DoorDash has delivered over 10 million orders. Make sure you have a reliable vehicle or moped, a valid driver's license and insurance, and of course, don't forget your smartphone with the DoorDash app. With DoorDash you get paid weekly, and also don't forget you could earn tips. 18. Lyft. If you own a reliable 4-door vehicle, you can become a Lyft driver. As a driver you get paid to drive around people. You need to pass a background check and your car needs to pass a safety check. And obviously you need a driver's license and proper insurance. Then in the app, accept a ride and request to earn your first money. A smartphone has many functions, so start making money today with it. Now obviously some of these are only based in the US, but if you look around there are similar apps in many countries around the world. Just use the examples we've given to search for similar things in the country where you live. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you next week with our latest video. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.